this MBA doesn't kill me, then nothing ever will. From ethical clearance, stress to forms that never end still. Those supervisors vanish like they're hiding in a cave, and research coordinators too busy to wait. But hey, we're hanging in there. MBA cries off 2024. We've cried on the carpet, collapsed on the floor. We've typed till our fingers said, man, please chill. Oh, but if Mancosa doesn't kill me, then nothing ever will. Yeah. Chasing deadlines like athletes in a race, living on caffeine just to keep a straight face. Chapters and corrections, Lord, what a thrill. But if MBA doesn't kill me, then nothing ever will. We're almost done. We're tight till our fingers said, man, please chill. But if Mancosa doesn't kill me, then nothing ever will. Yeah. Oh, we're almost done. Just breathe, don't fall. We've been through it all. When graduation comes, we'll scream so loud that the whole campus will be proud. So let's hang it in there, MBFM 2020 grad. We've survived every module, every email, every chore. If we've made it this far, we've got iron will. And if MBI doesn't kill me, then nothing ever will. Hang me on the clouds of 2024. Oh, drank till our fingers said, man, please chill. We thank till our fingers said, bring me on the clouds of 2024. Oh, we tight till our fingers said,